Once a Zen monk Bokoju was passing through a street in village. Suddenly a man came up and struck him with a stick. Bokoju fell down and with him that stick also fell there. He got up and picked up that stick. Man who had hit him and was running away. When Bokoju saw that, he took that stick and started running after him. He ran after him calling, "Wait, take your stick with you." Bokoju followed after that man and at last was able to give him that stick back. But because of all shouting and commotion, crowd gathered to see that what was happening. When crowd got to know what happened, one person from crowd came to Bokoju and said, "That man struck you hard and you have no said anything. Why?" Bokoju said, "A fact is a fact. He had hit, that's all. He was the hitter and I was hit. It is just as if I am passing under a tree or sitting under a tree and a branch falls down. What will I do then? What can I do?" Man said, "But a branch is a branch. This is a man. We cannot say anything to branch fell from tree. We cannot push it because tree had no mind but this." Bokoju said, "To me this man is also just a tree, and if I cannot say anything to a tree, why should I bother to say anything to this man? What happened had already happened. I am not going to interpret it. Why get worried about it now? It is finished, over." This is mind of sage. Not choosing, not asking, not saying, this should be and this should not be. Whatsoever happens, he accepts it in its totality. This acceptance gives him freedom, capacity to see.